Hi there, I'm Carmen from Foyr, and today we'll be showing you how to design a living room in Foyr Neo. It's a very user-friendly platform, perfect for beginners, so let's get started. First you need to be on the 2D mode, then you have wall tool and room tool to design your floor plan. Then you need to go on file to set your dimensions that can be in feet, in inches, in meters and millimeters. Then you need to go on the wall tool to select the wall tool and start drawing your floor plan. Then what you have to do is just to place doors and windows. I'm going to catalog and search for door. You just need to select it, drag it here on the floor plan. Then I'm going to search for window. And I'm going to select and drag here on the floor plan. Then I would like to add some decor and some furniture. So I'm going to catalog, I'm going to search for rug. I already know the rug that I would like to have for my design. So just to select it and drag it here on the floor plan. Then I would like to add a sofa. I already know the brand. So I'm going to select it and drag here a place on my floor plan. To rotate the sofa, just select it and click the rotate tool. Then I would like to add a coffee table, which I already know the brand. And tables. If you want to clone it, just select the end table and use the clone tool. Then I would like to add a fireplace. You just select it and drag it here. To move the fireplace, just click on it and use the free movement tool to just move it. Then I would like to add a wall panel. So the best way to do it is just to be on the 3D mode. So you just go on the right side of your screen and click 3D mode. Here you can see your room, how it look like. Then I would like to place a wall panel just on that wall. So as I already created my short list, I'm going to select the wall panel and place it here. Then I would like to resize it. So what I have to do is just to select it and use the resize tool to make it bigger. And here you have your floor plan. And then as I created a short list already, I'm going here on my short list and add my chairs. To be able to rotate any item, you just click on the rotate tool and then you can clone it using the clone tool. Then I'm going to my short list again and select for my ottomans. Then I'm start adding accessories on the coffee table. Now I'm start placing the cushions on the sofa, and I'm going to change the color of my sofa. So I'm going to go on my short list and select the fabric that I like. Then I will click the copy texture plus material. I will select it, copy it, and see how the color of my sofa is changing. Then I would like to add a floor lamp. So now I will place the cushions, and I will use the clone tool to place another cushion here. And then I would like to add a table lamp. I will search for a table lamp on the catalog. Place it here. My side table is too small, so I'm going to resize it. And then I have my table lamp there. Then I would like to add a floor lamp. I will rotate it. And place it here. And now I'm ready for the rendering. You click the Take Render tool, and now you have the lighting option with the day, evening and night light. You have the presets that you can choose from many here. I will choose fresh. I will go with the high, and then the Grand Canyon view, and then I will go a little bit closer, something like this. And then I'm ready to get my preview. I already set the light here with the sunlight. Get preview, and here you have your preview. As I'm happy with the preview, I will just take the render. I will select the 12K and render. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to try our 14-day free trial. Click the link in the description below. See you in the next video.